Well, that's different. Oh, there goes Mike in his Jeep. And it's just Guy and myself in my Jeep. That means Piper is with Mike. Let's see how this goes. We are heading off to go camping right about now. I don't even know, honestly, I do not know which park we're going to go to. There was 4, 2 in Ohio, 2 in Indiana that we were considering, and I think Mike's just gonna pick one. I'm gonna follow him because we need both Jeeps to do what we're gonna do.
That Jeep looks familiar. There she goes. Got dueling Jeeps.
I see the Wraith right there. Guy and I are just patiently waiting. He's being pretty good. Yeah, I know. He's usually not a fan of being separated, but he's doing pretty good. Well, I guess that answers that question, where we're going. We've been here many times before. It is what it is, I guess. Mike's gonna see what sites are open because we do not have a reservation, so we'll see. Look at this guy. Thinks he owns the campground, blocking the road for everyone. Psh. Going for a morning walk, morning-ish.
Afternoon-ish.
Might be afternoonish. I'm not quite sure what time it is. Slept in real late.
10:47.
Went to bed, or I went to bed at like 8.
Yeah, and then woke up around 9 a.m.
Yeah, I think I needed it. I don't know. Can we make it around this big obstacle?
Come on, guys. Come over it.
Come on, guy. Oh, okay. What about you, Pipe? Oh. How it is now lunchtime. I guess we're gonna go and get some lunch.
We're gonna meet the Fitches.
Yeah, we're actually in their neck of the woods right now, so figured we'd get some lunch with them. Gonna go to Beer Barrel, I think. Get some pizza. Look at those two. Now, if Dave was only a couple inches taller. Thanks, Dave. Oh, I mean Mike. You've been twinning with your pizza boxes.
Yeah. We're also new boot goofing.
We are.
Where are you taking me? This looks pretty sketchy.
Off-grid power systems.
Oh, gonna go check out a local solar installer. Hey guys, so we are here with Ed. He is also a subscriber of ours. He recently reached out because he watched our latest video when we were down at Salt Fork and we had our portable solar panel. And we had mentioned about how we had not yet put solar panels on our Wraith, but we had intended to do so. So he reached out and told us about his business, and here we are, and he's gonna tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, my name is Ed Jones. I have a business called Off-Grid Power Systems, where we take recreational vehicles and other specialty vehicles and basically install off-grid power systems, and allows people to go boondocking, travel wherever they want without having to worry about reservations for full hookup sites, and to have all the comforts of home. AC, a Victron dealer as well. 15 kilowatt hours of capacity. These are just all my disconnects. I haven't labeled them yet. Bus bars, shunt down at the bottom. This is the main solar charge controller for the rooftop panels. You know, I started off with 2 batteries and then quickly realized, hey, it's 90 degrees and I want to run this thing all the time, so I expanded it. So there's that option as well. Yeah. I'm embarrassed by it because I haven't found a decent cover for it yet, but yes, this works out well, and it cools the entire camper, and you can't hear it running.
Right.
And that's what's so good. And the nice thing about a mini split is because, you know, they run on inverters as well, they just ramp down and ramp up. It's not like, you know, the air conditioners here, they're either on full or they're off, right?
Right.
And they're loud and all that.
I didn't want a residential fridge just because we go to a lot of places without hookups, and I like being able to run it off of propane.
Yeah.
But if you can run off of 12 volts and you have solar, then that kind of changes the game a little bit.
I have all the power I need.
Yeah, free power.
Free power.
Well,
More or less.
System, but...
Yeah.
After some years, it'll be free power.
Yeah, exactly. So I can generate the power.
Right, free power generation.
Yes.
So with our Airstream, we had 2 80-watt panels, which was just a factory installed thing. But up to that point, we really never considered solar. But then once we had that, we were able to do things. We had 1,000-watt inverters that we had in the Airstream, and 2 AGM batteries. But that allowed us, like in the morning, we made coffee just off the solar power. And so that kind of, you know, gave us the bug a little bit. We're like, well, if we can do this with these 2 little panels and make coffee in the morning, what can we do with more panels?
Kind of, if you go to my website at some point, you'll see it's a very simple 4-step approach, right?
Yeah.
But the first one is key. You know, we'll talk and we'll come up with what are your goals, and then we need to do a power audit, right? Add everything up. The system doesn't have to be big. It can be a couple small panels. It can be an inverter just to do the basics. You know, when you're blow drying your hair, you're using the microwave. Generally speaking, you're not doing that for hours at a time.
Right.
Right? Yeah. But I think what you'll find, especially since you guys travel quite a bit, is now you can go wherever the heck you want. Yeah. Once you get kind of, you know, situated with off-grid power.
Yeah.
So what did you think about that power systems, the solar?
Very cool. I definitely want to get some solar on the Wraith.
Yeah, I agree. We're probably not going to make it so that we can run AC all summer long, but that's fine.
Yeah, I mean, his was set up with that mini split so he could run air conditioning in the summertime, which is awesome.
Yeah.
But I don't know if we want to go that big on the solar system.
Yeah, it's just something that we're now having to think about as to what we want, how big do we want it. So I'm kind of curious as to what you guys would do in this situation. Would you get solar that would run everything on your coach, AC and all, or would you get it to be as, you know, more cost effective and just run what you want most of the time?
Go big or go home, or just what you need.
Yeah. Gee, I wonder what the pups are so happy for. Oh, that's it. The pizza. Another park means we need to let you know how fast our cells are doing.
Verizon, AT&T, ready, go. Let's see what it comes out to be. AT&T, 48 down, 1.44 up.
AT&T, okay.
Verizon, 67 down, 10 up. That's pretty good.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all. AT&T's not bad either. A little bit slow on the upload if you need to upload, but just general web browsing, it's been fine. Man, T-Mobile, 515 down, 19.3 up. T-Mobile's been impressing me quite a bit lately.
In this area, and it's been happening a lot, where you'll notice that it says 5G and then there's UC. That's for their ultra connectivity or whatever they call it. That's legit 5G, I believe, speeds.
And it's fast.
And I hit this very often now. It's like they're upgrading like crazy. So yeah, a lot of the times T-Mobile is doing pretty good.
I've been extremely happy with AT&T on my phone. Verizon, I think, edges them out a little bit on coverage, but AT&T is usually faster. Not this case, obviously. But
AT&T is pretty good.
T-Mobile, man, they've been killing it.
Yeah.
And we apologize for the sound.
That's, she was drinking water when we started, and she went from the water bowl to the bone. Don't mind the wind. It's pretty blistery out here today.
It's like not even 40 degrees right now.
No, it is not 40. Winds are blowing. Guy.
Parts of Ohio already had snow yesterday.
Yes, they did. We did not. Well, it said we did, but we didn't see any, so it didn't happen.
It's supposed to snow here tonight, sometime after midnight, and then again on Sunday, tomorrow.
Right, yeah. Tomorrow at home, they did say we could get an inch sticking. We got Guy over there with his sweater on. We got Piper over here with her little sweater on. She needs a bigger one. That's something.
Lights flashing.
Yeah, she's flashing. She's very. Oh, poor girl. She's probably gonna have to go in soon.
She's cold, but we gotta get the fire going. I give full credit to Dave Fitch. He originally found this blower and told me about it. This is $79. It didn't come with a battery or charger. It's a tool only. It's a little spot blower. If you already have some M12 Milwaukee tools, then you know these batteries will fit it. You can get bigger batteries too. I just put the little one on. This thing is great.
And it's great for what?
Starting fire.
Man and his Milwaukee tools.
That gets it going.
Yeah. Oh, there's Pipey. It's too cold for her. She was shivering out here. She hasn't gotten acclimated to the cold weather yet. Piper senses some intruders.
Welcome back.
Reunited.
I haven't seen you guys in a while.
Reunited, and it feels so good.
Don't be jealous.
Yeah, don't be jealous. Don't be hating.
Look at that.
Don't be hating.
Twinning again.
What? Oh my God! Damn, Dave.
I didn't even know you got
That is
that.
crazy.
My goodness.
How does this even happen?
What are you wearing under that?
Well, I got my black long sleeve Carhartt.
Oh, that's what I'm wearing too.
Yeah.
With the same jeans.
Oh,
There
They
it
start
is.
pulling out
Yeah.
their underwear. I'm out
Right.
of here. You guys
my-
might share the same outfits, but we share the same birthday, and you guys will never up us on
That is 100% true. July 22nd, baby.
you guys share
Woo!
the same jealousy of us.
This was not even
I
on
didn't
purpose.
coordinate anything.
I'm calling
have
BS.
have I ever coordinated an outfit?
Are you guys calling BS? Because I'm calling BS.
Call whatever you want.
Call jelly.
Yeah, I'm calling jelly.
Well, I guess this is officially cold weather camping because it is snowing outside. Starting to collect on the Wraith.
Not sure how cold it is, but with that wind, it's cold. We're starting to get packed up. We're gonna head our separate ways, though. Mike is going to go west to Indiana, and I am going to take the dogs and go back to our home base. So hopefully we'll survive our short period of time apart.
It's nice and pretty though. Calming. Much more relaxing than rain. I'll take it.
All right.
I guess this is it.
Yep. This is where we part ways.
Just goodbye.
You got all your clothes and everything. This is weird.
Yeah, it's absolutely weird. I got the dogs back here.
Yep.
Oh, dirty laundry. Can't leave home without that.
Nope. All right. See ya in a day or two.
See you in a couple days.
Bye.
Bye.
This is weird. It's just me, the Wraith, and the blue Jeep.
looking a little more wintry up here. For now, I'm just going to play with the dogs outside, of course. Piper loves it. It's really, really weird not having Mike here with me. I'm sure he's gonna feel the same way, especially when he has to leave the Wraith tomorrow in Indiana and come back home. That'll be really weird. So I guess until next time, see ya.
Looks like we have arrived. It was only a 5-hour ride. Well worth it, I'm sure.